Asra, can you share your screen?
Yes,
Yes. Can you open the network?
my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, yes. Now it's okay. Yeah, yeah, Asra. Can you tell me about yourself and what you did in previous project and what you have experienced?
Yeah, Sambhu, thanks giving me the opportunity. So here myself is Asrar Khan. I complete my BTech in 2018 in major in computer science. So I joined as a in Q4 technology. Before that, I worked in internships and several jobs. After that, I joined in Q4 technology in 2021 May. So I work there manual test engineer. After I will switch to automation test engineer. And in manual testing, I will work on writing the test case, finding the bug manually, and test case management, and also defect tracking report I will create. Also and test case management I am preparing. And whatever the bug we are finding manually, we have to fix immediate basis. So production level bug also we have fixed. And day to day task like smoke testing, regression testing, system testing, end-to-end testings I have done in my project. In automation testing, I have work on sales and advertising domains. There I will work on regression testing, also in system testing, also in manual smoke testing. First we will convert our manual test cases into automation script, which one can be automate, so we will automate that one. After that, I'm creating my own framework in my project. So basically in my project, I have used Cucumber, TestNG, RestAssured API, also use Maven. It is a build tool. And yeah, I have more than uh, 20 web pages I have automate.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me what tool and technology used in your framework? And also, can you explain your framework structure by briefly?
Yeah, I will share my screen. So just 1 second. So like you can see my Cucumber project. So one project name is OpenCard. So in this I have create in SRT test Java. Inside that, first I will create Maven project. Going to file and create new Maven project. In Maven project, by default pom.xml file will inbuilt inbuilt is there. So in this I have used different dependency for required our projects. So like Selenium is there. Selenium dependency I have used, that is version is 4.25.0. Cucumber JUnit 7.17.0. I have used Cucumber Java dependency. I have used 7.17.0. Then log4j core is used for log purpose. We have used 2.20.0. Log4j API I have used, that is version is 2.20.0. Apache Py XML I have used for reading and writing for from the Excel sheet, that is 5.2.3 version. Commons IO for the generate the faker library, we have used common IO. No, not faker. We have used like random generate name, username, password, phone number, email address. For that we have used common IO, that is version is 2.11.0. Apache common lang 3, it is also same for generating the random string and numeric values, that is 3.12.0. I have used grasshoppers extend report cucumber 7 adapter I have used for extend report generate. Okay, after that I have to update my project by clicking on my project and go to that Maven and update project. It will update our project. After that I have you create a report folder, log folder, and feature folder. feature folder. In features, feature different features files is there, and it extends should be dot feature, login dot feature, login ddt, excel dot features, registration dot features. First we have to create features file. In features file, so we know that in Cucumber it is a we write our scenarios in given when then format. Before that we have to write features and scenarios. In features, what is the higher level higher level high level high level credential is required. For that we have used right login with valid credential. Basically we will give the project name in the features. And scenarios, in scenarios we will write the scenario like login, successful login with valid credential. Inside scenario we will write given, the given user navigate to login page when, then user enter the email id, that valid email and password, and the user clicks on login button, then user should be redirected to my home page. According to that we have corresponding method is there. So method we can write in this src test java. In src test java we will write in the step definition. Step definition, before that we have to write in the base class. We know that every test class before and after execute some script will be execute, like open browser, maximize, implicit wait we have to pass. So we will write in the base class. So we'll write in the factory package. Inside that one class is base class. So in base class I'm creating a static variable like static web driver. I am creating the web driver reference. And static properties p, I am creating properties file, a reference variable, and static logger variable I am creating. Then public static webdriver initialize browser through IO exception. If get properties dot get property execution environment equals to remote. So basically we are segregating with the remote driver, also local driver. If we run our project into remote, this execute will execute, this statement will execute. If you run our project in locally, so we will write in different way. So in this remote we have to use if get properties os equal ignore windows. If it is windows, then capability to set platform equal to Windows 11. It will open in the Windows 11. Else if get property OS equal ignore case Mac, then capability set platform dot Mac. We can run our um, project in Mac. Otherwise, if we not giving other than Windows and Mac, it will not fetch and it will throw no matching OS. It will give the statement no matching OS. Like that browser, we are giving switch get property browser to lowercase Chrome. If it is Chrome, then capabilities head browser name equal to Chrome. Then it will break. It will launch the Chrome browser and it will break. If it is Edge, then capability dot set browser name Microsoft Edge, break. If it is Firefox, then capability set browser name Firefox, then break. Default system dot out dot println no matching browser. Then driver dot new remote web driver new URL local host we have to provide, and capabilities to give. Else if get property execution environment equal ignore case is local, then switch to driver property browser equal to lowercase it is Chrome, then driver equal to new Chrome driver, break. Then if it is Edge, then driver dot new Edge, it will open the Edge browser, then it will break. Else case Firefox, then driver dot new Firefox, then it is break. Default system dot out dot println no matching browser. After that we can delete all cookies driver dot manager, delete all cookies driver dot manager, timeout implicit wait, duration of second we can pass duration. It is a benefit like whenever it will not found any element, so it will wait until 10 milliseconds, 10 seconds. Then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So whatever the browser we are launching for maximizing, for that we are using writing this script driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then return driver. It will return the driver here, web driver. Okay, then we are creating one constructor like public static web driver get driver, creating the method static method web driver get driver return driver. Then public static property get property through I exception file reader, file equal to new file reader system dot property get URL. It is taking the URL from the config dot property resource folder config dot properties. Then p dot new properties p dot load file, then return p. It will return the whatever the property file it is fetch, it will return into this property. For logger purpose, we are creating one method public static logger get logger, logger equal to log manager dot get logger return logger. Public static string random string, random for generate the random string we are writing the string generate generate string random string util dot random alphabetic 5 return generate generate string. Public static string random number, random number we are generating. For that string generate number equal to random string util dot random numeric 10 return generate number. Then public static string random alpha numeric string str random utils random alphabetic 5, we are giving that 5 random number it will generate. Then random string util dot random numeric is 10, then we can continue with the string with numeric and returning. Then hooks package, in hooks package we are writing web driver driver. Then properties p we are providing, then before and after. In before method we are writing the public void setup through IO exception, the driver equal to base class initialize browser. P dot base class get properties we are providing, then driver dot get property app URL we are providing, then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize we are providing, uh, giving. Then after, in public void tear down scenario driver dot quit. After every execution we have to close our browser, so that we are writing driver dot quit. After public void add screenshot, for taking the screen adding the screenshot scenarios. If scenarios is failed take screenshot ts equal to take screenshot driver. We are basically typecasting that interface take screenshot. Byte type we are taking the screenshot get screenshot as output type bytes. Scenario attach scenario image we are passing that path, and scenario get name whatever the path of the of that screenshot we are taking that get name by using get name. In page object class we are basically in page object class basically we are creating the constructor, and whatever the pages are there according to these pages we are creating the name account registration page extend base class public account registration web driver driver super dot driver. It will go to the base class and it will fetch the driver by using super keyword. After that we have to find that account registration page whatever the elements is there we have to by writing find by annotation name equal to first name. Then we are storing this first name by using web element text first name. Like that we are writing that find element name equal to last name web element text last name. Like that email we have storing in that name, locator is name, and we are storing in that email text. Find by name telephone web element text telephone. Like that password we are storing in text password. Confirm password also text confirm password. Agree also check policy. Xpath for continue button, and we are storing in the continue button. Find then whatever the after that one page will be loaded, so your account has been created, this message should come. In this message we can store in the message configurations. Message configuration. After that we have to write Just 1 second, bro.
What you are doing?
Yes. So for this locators, we are creating different action method, like public void set first name we are taking. In this we are passing string first name, then whatever the element we have fetched text first name, then send keys method we are writing that in this string variable reference variable name we are passing first name. Then public void set last name. For that we are taking the last name as a string type. Then we are calling this locator element text last name, then send keys, then last name we are passing. Then public void set email. For that we are taking that email reference variable. Then we are calling this locator element text email, then send keys, email we are passing. Like telephone we are passing, like password also passing, confirm password also passing, check policy set privacy policy we creating one method. Then we are calling this locator check policy, then click method we are performing. Then continue button. For that we are calling this continue button and clicking perform clicking action. Then confirm message we are writing in the try catch block. Return confirm message, get text, whatever the message we are getting. If we are getting, then we can return. If it is not found any text, then we will write catch exception, return get message. Whatever the message we are getting, we can print that one. Base class we can write constructor like public base class WebDriver driver. This dot driver equal to driver page factory init element driver. Then this we are writing here. Checkout post. For checkout post same constructor is there, and different element we have to locate, we have to find. For that I have used find by annotations, and we have to inspect, and we have whatever the mm XPath we are founding, we are pasting, and here we are writing the text first name by using web element. Like that last text name, address to text city, pin number we are giving, drop country, the drop state, button continue delivery address, text delivery method, continue button continue shipping address, uh, check terms agree button we have to click, continue button payment method is there. Then LBL total price of that button confirmation order is there. We have to after that we have to select LB order confirmation message should be there. Then we have to write the action method by calling this first name last name text, and we are passing that reference variable, and we are creating action method. After that void click confirmation order click boolean is order is placed, we can validate if order is placed. And then try catch block we are writing driver dot switch to dot alert accept, thread dot sleep button confirmation click thread dot sleep. If LB order confirmation message get text equal to this message, then it is returned true, means it is pass. Else it is not found this message, then it is returned false. Otherwise in this in between anything will happen or thread dot sleep, it will take more time, then it will give the exception like catch exception it return false. Overall it will fail the our test cases. After that home page we can inspect. For home page we are extend from the base class. It is an example of inheritance example. Base class we are creating from home page is a child class, base class is a parent class, we are extending like that. We are creating the constructor, and action methods is the locators is there. For locator for home page we are click my account, click on registration, then log into link login link. Text search box is there, we have to inspect. Then search button is there, we have to inspect and we have to write. Then click my account, link my account, then click. Then click registration page, we have to click registration element, we have to inspect and we have to, after that we have writing that locate different action method like click my account. By click my account dot click, click registration, link registration dot click, click login, link login dot click. Then public void enter product name string p name, search box and keys p name enter product name. Then after that we have to click search button search dot click. Then login page constructor is there, public login page web driver super dot driver, it will call to this base class, base page. After that we have to find that LMA email address, so we are inspect and we are storing in the web element text by name, giving that text email address. For that password we are creating we are inspect and we are writing in the xpath. Then we are storing web element text password. Then login button, for that we are storing in the web element login button. Then we can create action method of that login page. Okay. After that my account page, in my account page also constructor is there. My account page, we are creating my account page constructor web driver super driver. Find element, we are giving that whatever the xpath we are founding, then we can write and we are giving that element message heading. Then logout, link logout. Then logout, we are taking one message is there, is my account page exist, try return heading of that display. And then catch exception e return false. Then public void click logout, link logout, then we can click and it will log out. Also search page is there, search page we are creating constructor of that search page web driver super dot driver. Find by annotation, we are finding that xpath, we are storing in the search product. A different product is there, so that we are storing in the list of web element. So quantity, how many quantities are there, we can inspect that quantity and we are storing in the web elements. And reference variable is text quantity. For button to cart, add button to cart, we are find the xpath and we are storing in the web element by naming btn add to cart. Then find by annotation. Then confirmation message should be there, successfully you have added, this message would come and we have to inspect that one and we are storing in the web element as a name as a cn confirm message. Public boolean, each product exists. String product name boolean flag false. For web element product search product, if product get attribute title is equal to product name, flag dot return true. Break, return flag. Public void select product string product name. For web element product search products, if product get attribute title is equals to product name, then product dot click. Then public void set quantities, string quantity, text quantity dot clear, text quantity dot send keys quantity. Public void add to cart, we are calling that add to cart button. Button add to cart, then click. Then confirm message, public boolean confirm message, it will return true or false. We are writing in the try catch, return confirm message is displayed. If it is displayed, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Then we are writing in the catch exception e return false. In shopping cart page, we are creating the constructor of the shopping cart page web driver super dot driver. Then find dot element by button item is there, so we are inspect in the by xpath and we are storing the button item. Or link view cart is there, so inspect that one and storing in the link view cart, it is a web element type. Then IBL total price we are founding and we are storing in that LB total price, it is web element type. Then checkout button check out, then we can inspect that one and store in the button checkout. Then corresponding action methods is there. We are creating click item on navigate to cart. Then this method we are this variable we are calling, and we are clicking perform on the clicking method. Then view to cart, we can call this link view cart dot click. It will click on the link view cart. Then string get total price, we will get the total price. Return IVL total price, get text. Then click on the checkout for that button dot checkout dot click. Step definition, in step definition we are creating that login page HP, login page LP, home page HP, login page LP, my account page Mac. We are creating the different reference variable, and we are data driven testing. For that we are storing in the list of hash map, string type, data map, given section. Then the user navigate to login page, public void user navigate to login page, base class get logger get info, go to my account, click on login, HP equal to new home page, base class get driver, HP dot click my account, HP dot click on my click login, base class go to my account, click on login, HP equal to new home page, base class go get driver, HP equal to click my account. It will go and it will click on my account link, and it will after that it will go to home page, and it will go to click on click login page.
Yeah, sir. Can you explain me the runner file? Yeah, now I got it. But you can explain me runner file.
Runner.
How you are going to execute your script?
In runner file, we are creating like features run with cucumber dot class. We are writing in at the rate cucumber option. In this option we are writing that features equal to dot double slash features slash login dot features we are writing. So it will go to that feature file folder, and inside that one class is there login dot feature. It will go and it will execute. And glue method, what is basically do feature file connect with the step definition file. For connecting we are using glue. In square in parenthesis, in curly braces we are writing that step definition, and hooks we are giving. And plugin pretty dot html report, whatever the report is there, report generate. For that we are writing the html report, my report dot html, return target, return text. A dry run equal to false. Check the mapping between scenario steps and step definition methods. Step definition and steps. So if you run only step scenarios along with the step methods, definition methods, we can by using dry run. Monochrome is equal true to avoid junk characters. Publish equal to true. Then we can run our test runner through here.
Okay. So, what utility you used in utility? Can,
I use data reader utility. In this utilities I use public static hash map, string store value equal to new hash map, public static list hash map, string data equal to file string name sheet name throw IO exception, list hash map, string date my data new array list, file input stream file equal to new file stream.
okay,
And we are
basically
passing
you
the path.
use basically this one you use for reading the Excel sheet, right? So, can you
Yes,
explain
yes.
me resource folder? What resource in the test SRC test resource? What you
In SRC test user resources, I have used config.property, extend.property, log4j2.xml. In resource file, I have basically used execution environment local or remote. Then OS equal to Windows, Mac, and browser. I have taken Chrome. Browser equal to Edge and browser equal to Firefox. Then we can pass the URL, which URL we want to automate. then email, whatever the data we are passing, so email address, password, and search product name we can pass here. Then extend dot properties, we can in this we can write extend report spark start equal to true, extend report spark equal to report cucumber, extend report screenshot equal to screenshot folder name, screenshot real path, screenshot base folder name, base folder, extend report log4j to xml for basically log purpose, log file generate. So it will basically generate in two ways, console, also in file. We are writing in, we can write in the logger in root level all, and appender and reference equal to file or console we can pass. And in root level we can pass all, trace, debug, fatal, info, warn, or off. We can different status we can pass according to our requirement. So basically info will give that um, particular uh, particular particular which steps our execution will fail. It will give that uh, particular path where the exception will occur, or any defect will occur, or any script we have created wrongly created. It will give that detailed information.
Okay. So can you scroll down? Left scroll down. Okay, okay. So can I move to Java question? Some Java question. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, this one is I know your framework. So can you write the code for palindrome of the string? You can check palindrome of the string. No, can you write the code in the online editor, Java editor?
What I have to write?
Palindrome of the string.
Okay. Yes.
Can you copy this code and paste in the notepad? Can you write the code for count the frequency of the character in given string? Suppose string, can you take a string? A string is gigs for gigs. Count the number of frequency each character.
Hmm.
Okay. Yes.
That one I am not recall right now.
Okay, okay, no issue. Can you tell me about the hash map?
Hashmap is
Why
a
why you used hash map here?
so basically we use hashmap for taking the unique keys. Values should be duplicate, but keys should be unique. So hashmap is a part of map interface, so it will allow key value pair value. So key should be unique and value should be duplicate. Key allowed one null values, but mm, value key in map value we can write more than one null values. So it is not insertion, it not maintain insertion, and it will not maintain
Okay. O-
sorted order.
Okay, I pasted one question in chat box. Can you open chat box and copy that one and paste in the notepad? Can you write the code for like all zero should come first and one should come after zero. So can you write the Java code for this one
Yes,
in online editor? Can you copy this code and paste in the notepad?
this one, no? No, I am not able to recall this one also. So
Yeah. Okay, okay, no, so we have to go with the SQL query. You know SQL, right? So can you write
yes,
the code for right join?
okay,
Can you take any two table and write the code for right join?
okay. I'm taking employee and department name, department table. Yes.
What is the difference between unique key and primary key?
Primary key is basically used for we are giving that primary key should be unique and not null. So whatever the primary key we are providing, so it should be unique, and it can be attached with the another table with the foreign key, so we can use for join both table. So unique key is like you unique.
Okay, no issue. Can you write the code for broken link? Hello,
Yes, just 1 second, I am going
are you recalling?
yeah, I'm recalling that one. Yes. Uh, s- Sorry, this one also I'm
Okay,
not able
okay,
to.
no issue. What challenge you faced in doing the automation script?
When I will create my project, so I face like which tools and technology I will use. For that, I have faced some challenges, and which dependency it is used for my project, suitable for my project. I have taking little bit time, so it is challenging for me. And sometimes in my code, we have to maintain our framework. At that time, some developer had changes in the locator, like some attribute, name attribute value, he will also change. At that time we have to maintain, and we have to find that particular web element, and we have to update. So that phases I have, these challenges I have faced.
Okay. What exception you faced? A Selenium exception you faced in
in
automation?
in Selenium I have faced no such element exception, timeout exception, element on interaction exception, WebDriver exception.
Okay. So, what is regression testing and retesting?
Regression testing basically when we will get one new build, and whatever we will already test the previous build, that should not be impact to the previous build. Also, whatever the new features will added, it will not uh, any bug. So we will test in the regression testing. Retesting, we will just re-execute our test cases multiple times, and we will find any bug or defect is there or not. So it will comes under retesting.
Okay. What agile ceremony is there?
Agile ceremony, like uh, agile ceremony basically I have I have experience, like scrum meeting is there, then sprint planning meeting is there, and sprint backlog is there.
Okay. Did you work with Jira?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell me defect life cycle? How you are going to raise the defect in Jira?
So basically, when we found any bug when writing the automation or manual testing, so we will raise a bug in the Jira with the given particular bug ID, and we will status give the status is new and open, and assigned to the particular developer, and he will see, and he will give the status like cannot be fixed or deferred status. He will give cannot be fixed means either he is a no time to fix this bug, or this bug is lower priority, so he will neglect other deferred status means any developer might come to our place and find that particular bug, so it is duplicate bug already, this bug already assigned by some other test engineer to that particular developer. So this right now whatever we are sending that particular bug, it is a it is a duplicate bug for that particular software developer. So we will get the deferred status. After that we will get if the bug is already fixed by the developer, then we will retest that bug and retest that features, and in further we will found any bug for this particular feature, then we will reassign that, give the status as a reassign, and we will assign to that particular developer. Then he will see that particular defect, and we will communicate with each other. And if he will tell if it is fixed, then he will give the status as a fixed, then we will check. Otherwise we will resend this bug to that particular developer. If it is really fixed that particular bug, then we will close our bug and give the status as a close.
Okay. What approach to deal with the drop down in Selenium?
We use action. No, select class we are using, by using select class we are passing that select as equal to new select. In this select we are pass that which which element we want to select. So this reference variable we can pass in the select method as an argument. Then we will write one by using select by valued, select by visible text, select by index we can pass, select by value we can pass, select by value we can pass by using double quotes, and select by index we can pass from 0 to till that index, like month is 12, so we can pass in select by visible text we can pass also in string format.
Okay, okay. So yeah, sir, I'm done with you. So do you have any question?
So no, thank you.
Okay. HR,
So I have one question, like which techno tools and technology I will work if in your organization, and what is my roles and responsibility.
yeah, basically you have to write the automation script using BDD framework, Cucumber, and you have to write the code using the Java and whatever the latest user story developed. You have to write the test cases, automation test cases, if possible.
Okay,
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
thank you.
thank you.